Hello students, now come to the next exercise 6.5. The first question here, look at the figure to write the fraction in its simplest form. Simplest form means the numerator and denominator have only single common factor, that will be 1. Means we can't divide furthermore this thing. Right now we can divide this thing 6 by 16. See, we can divide this 2 by 2 by 2. So we will get some example right now. So first see here, 6 by 16. Here 16. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8. 16 blocks are there. Equal blocks or equal parts are there. From this 16, 6 are colored or shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 16. If we divide it by 2 by 2, 6 is divided by 2 means how much? 6. 2 3s, so 3 we will get, and here 8 2 is 16, 8. Look at here now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 equal divisions are there, equal parts are there, and out of this 8, 3 parts are shaded, 3 by 8. Now why it is simplest form? As I told you, you can't divide these two numbers by any number other than 1. Means if you try to divide this thing by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, this thing will be divisible by 2, but this is not divisible by 2. Now come to 3. If we divide by 3, this thing will be divided by 3, but this is not divisible by 3. Come to 4. This will be divisible by 4, but this is not divisible by 4. Sorry, this will be divisible by 4, this will not divisible by 4. Means ultimately you have only single or only one common factor, that is 1. You can divide these two numbers by 1. 3 divided by 1 gives you 3, 8 divided by 1 gives you 8. Means 3 by 8 is in simplest form. Is that clear now? So in this way you can do the rest of the question number A. Now come to question number B. Fill in the box to get equivalent fraction. As I told you earlier, to get an equivalent fraction either by multiplication or by division, what you need to do? You need to multiply the fraction. Means you need to multiply both the part, the numerator and the denominator with the same number, or divide with the same number. Right now here division is there, so you are dividing this numerator by 5. With the same number we have to divide this one also, so we will write 5 here. 5. Is that clear? Now 5 divided by 15. 15 3s are 5. No, sorry, 5 3s are 15, so we are getting 3. 5 3s are 15. Again if we divide 10 by 5, 5 2s are 10, so you will get 2. So 3 by 2 is what? Equivalent fraction. Is that clear? And this thing is simplest form also, 3 by 2. Now in this way you will do the rest of the question B. Now come to question number C. Circle the fraction that are in simplest form. As I told you, for simplest form the common factor should be 1. Right now 4 by 6. If we divide it by 2, suppose 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, we are getting 2 by 3 now. So it means 4 by 6 is not in simplest form. Am I right? So we can't circle this one. 4 by 6 we don't circle. Now this one 5 by 7. If you look at here, 5 by 7, only by 1 you can divide it, these two numerators and the denominator. By any other number you won't be able to divide. By 2 you won't be able to divide it, by 3 also, by 6 also, by 7 also. Means in this way you can't divide it. Ultimately you will divide it by only 1. So this is in the simplest form. Is that clear? Here also 8 by 9, this also is in the simplest form. But 16 by 20 you can divide by 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. See, we can divide this thing by 4 other than 1. So this is not in simplest form. So we will not circle this thing, okay? And this case also you can divide this thing by 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 9 2 is 18. So this thing is also not in simplest form. Only these two are in simplest form, so we can circle these two, 2 and 3. So I hope you have understood this part.